Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
We all up on the internet. We're at Rocket Raps, sitting outside, charging the battery to my race car because I decided not to hook up my alternator, and we wanted to play wiring games today. So the battery died, so I'm sitting here charging with my brand new truck. First time I opened the hood. Aaron opened it for me actually.
What's up?
It's well, I mean, my car will run after tonight, and Aaron works its magic on my alternator. That doesn't work.
We'll get it fixed, don't worry.
But yeah, we're at Rocket Raps. He's wrapping my car right now, some pretty sweet ass design. You can't even see Stuart because the tint's so dark. Had to rep NSC today. Mike sent me some more shirts. I need like 50 of them. I shrink them every time I wash them. No Vacancy needs to send me a couple shirts because I've also shrunk those.
Maybe you got fatter.
I don't think I got fatter. I don't know. I think my just wash machine or dryer doesn't function properly.
Maybe maybe it's a driver mod for the washer.
Driver mod. I gotta add ballast to the car so we're even. I think it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. We finished up a bunch of wiring.
He likes it when I do it right here.
Kevin been wearing the same drawers for like 4 days.
Hell yeah. Stuart's over here, looking like he's about to fall asleep or something. Got a lot of shit done. I don't know where Anthony went. I think he already passed out on the couch. We're about to go home and go to sleep.
2 days out, man.
Go to work in the morning.
He's small.
Do it again.
Like how? Tomorrow's gonna be a long night.
Tomorrow's gonna be a long night.
Tomorrow's gonna be a really long night.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, what is it?
Looks like a Powerpuff Girl from here. I'm just saying. That's what it looks like.
Bye guys.
Stay tuned for the conclusion.